One of these engine additives slowly destroy your engine without any warning, and the other ones can save it with the minimum price. The scary part is that even if you've already used the number 8, you can still save your engine. The real truth? Are you throwing your money away on fancy bottles and empty promises? Or are you missing out on a formula that could actually make your engine run like new again? In this video, we break it all down. We'll reveal the top 10 engine additives that actually work, backed by real science, professional testing, and just as important, we'll expose 5 additives that are complete scams. And make sure you watch until the end, because number 8 might save you from a $4,000 engine rebuild. Number 1. The truth about engine additives. The basics. Before we dive in, let's clarify what engine additives really are. They're chemical compounds added to your oil, fuel, or coolant designed to improve performance, reduce wear, extend engine life, and sometimes clean internal parts. The problem? The market is flooded with gimmicks, vague promises, and overpriced snake oil. So we split fact from fiction. 10 additives that actually work, proven by mechanics and engineers, and 5 you should avoid because they either do nothing or can damage your engine. Number 2, top 10 additives that actually work. Number 1 is Liqui-Moly MOS-2. This additive uses molybdenum disulfide to reduce metal-to-metal friction inside the engine. Why does it work? MOS-2 forms a microscopic protective layer on metal surfaces. That layer reduces wear, lowers operating temperatures, and can even improve fuel economy. Pro tip, add it during an oil change. It works best in high mileage or older engines. This isn't hype, it's been proven in real-world use, including German taxi fleets for over a decade. Number 2 is Seafoam Motor Treatment. What does it do? It cleans fuel injectors, carburetor jets, and intake valves, while also lubricating the upper cylinders. Why does it work? Its petroleum-based formula breaks down carbon buildup effectively. You can use it in the fuel tank, crankcase, or through a vacuum line. Warning, overusing it can dilute your oil, so always follow the recommended dosage. Number 3 is Marvel Mystery Oil. It lubricates and cleans your engine's internal components, helping everything run smoother. Its unique detergent lubricant blend keeps valves from sticking and prevents varnish buildup over time. This isn't some new gimmick, it's a trusted formula that's been relied on since 1923 by aircraft, diesel, and classic car owners alike. Number 4 is BGMOA Motor Oil Additive. This additive is designed to boost your oil's performance under high-stress driving conditions. It stabilizes viscosity, neutralizes harmful acids, and reduces engine deposits, keeping your engine cleaner and healthier. Number 5 is Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. It helps reduce engine noise, lower oil consumption, and prevent harsh starts. By slightly thickening the oil, it's ideal for older engines with leaks or worn seals. This additive shines in high-mileage engines, older trucks, and classic cars, keeping them running smoother for longer. Number 6 is Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner. It cleans fuel injectors, restores lost horsepower, and can improve your MPG. Tested in the industry, it has been shown to increase fuel economy by around 3.2% and reduce emissions. For best results, use it every 3,000 to 5,000 miles to keep your fuel system running efficiently. Number 7 is Arc Oil AR910 Friction Modifier, a favorite for diesel trucks. It's especially effective for fixing cold start injector problems, including the notorious Power Stroke 6.0 engines. Its boron-based formula improves lubricity and reduces stiction, making starts smoother and also cutting down engine noise as a bonus. Number 8 is Resloan Engine Treatment. It cleans sludge, frees sticky lifters, and improves oil flow throughout the engine. Why it works? Its special dispersants remove carbon buildup from seals and lifters, making a noticeable difference in noisy, high-mileage engines. This one is especially important. It can save your engine from costly repairs, potentially preventing a $4,000 rebuild. Number 9 is Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. It's a fuel system cleaner that restores lost power and efficiency. Why does it work? Its polyetheramine PA formula is proven to clean fuel injectors and combustion chambers, keeping engines running smoothly. Safe for both gas and hybrid engines. Number 10 is STP High Mileage Oil Treatment. It conditions engine seals and reduces oil burning, keeping older engines healthy. Why it works? It adds zinc, ZDDP, and viscosity boosters, perfect for engines with higher mileage, ideal for vehicles with 75,000 miles or more, helping them run smoother and last longer. Section 3. 5 additives that don't work or can damage your engine. Number 1 to avoid is Teflon-based oil additives, like Slick 50. They claim that PTFE creates a friction-free surface, but the reality is very different. Independent tests, including those by the FTC and NASA, show that these particles can clog filters and don't actually bond to metal surfaces. Number 2 to avoid is thickening agents sold as engine rebuilders. They claim to stop leaks and increase compression, but the truth is far less impressive. These products only thicken the oil temporarily, hiding the symptoms while actually accelerating engine wear. Number 3 to avoid is magnetic oil drain plugs marketed as additive replacements. They claim to capture metal shavings and extend engine life, but the reality is more limited. While they might catch large metal flakes, they don't address soft metals or chemical contaminants in the oil. Verdict: useful as a small safety measure, but not a substitute for real engine additives. Number 4 to avoid is octane boosters that promise huge gains. They claim to increase horsepower instantly with 10+ point octane boosts, but the reality is far more modest. Most over-the-counter boosters raise octane by only 1 to 2 points, barely making a difference. Verdict: pure marketing hype. Not worth it unless your engine is specifically tuned for high-octane fuel. Number 5 to avoid is water to gasoline conversion additives. They claim to turn water into burnable fuel, but the reality is simple: it's impossible. No reputable lab or study supports these claims. It's pure snake oil science. Section 4. When you should use additives. Expert guidelines. Engine additives aren't magic, but when used right, they can extend your engine's life, boost performance, and even save you thousands in repairs. They're worth it if you drive a high-mileage engine over 100,000 miles. Want to clean stubborn carbon buildup or deal with oil burning, rough idling, or cold starts? They also help if you use ethanol-heavy fuels like E10 or E15, or if your car is out of warranty and past its prime. But don't reach for them if your car is still under warranty, if you're hoping they'll fix major mechanical failures, or if you already run high-quality synthetic oil with short change intervals. Pro mechanic tip: think of additives like vitamins for your engine. They're helpful when the engine is already well cared for, but dangerous if you rely on them to fix a neglected engine or ignore basic maintenance. Section 5. Buyer's Guide. How to choose quality additives. Pro tip for choosing additives: always look for independent testing. ASM, ISO, SAE reports. Stick with PA-based fuel system cleaners, molybdenum disulfide, or ZD, P-based friction modifiers. Make sure the product has clear labeling and application instructions, and avoid anything without an MSDS or transparency, or products that make wild claims with no supporting data. Section 6. The future of additives. As engines get smaller and more efficient, think turbocharged 4 cylinders doing the job of a V6, oil stress is on the rise, and that means the need for protective additives is growing. OEM-approved supplements from brands like BG and Liqui-Moly, eco-friendly biodegradable formulas, and additives tuned for hybrid engines and direct injection systems. The expert takeaway? Additives aren't going anywhere, but education is key. The future belongs to drivers who understand their engines and treat them right. So there you have it. The top 10 additives that are worth every penny, and the 5 you should never let near your engine. Which ones have you tried? Did they actually work? Drop your experiences in the comments. The car community learns fastest when we share real results. If this video saved you money, gave insight, or stopped you from wasting $30 on snake oil, hit that like button and subscribe for more real talk from real car experts. Remember, the right additive at the right time could be the reason your engine reaches 300,000 miles.